So the day has come to pull the pooper. And if you missed it, I'll put a, let's see, card up here that you can watch just how horrible it was to empty this out and how foolish and stupid I was. But now everything should basically be clean, and in fact we've run some bleach through it, so I have a pretty good level of confidence that I can lick my fingers while I'm doing this. I probably won't, but I might. You never know. Anyway, so we need to take this out in a couple different chunks. First is the toilet itself. Second will be the holding tank. And third will be the hoses and that. Now, after we get done taking this out, we're going to bring our airhead in here and we'll kind of play with it and fit and see where it can go. I know we're probably going to have to do some work with a platform here, and I'm thinking about using where the draw out has been for the tank, using that for where the air vent comes out, because the airhead requires constant air through it. And then I'll probably use the power for the macerator, since obviously the macerator will be coming out also. So a few different pieces here. So anyway, here we go. Let's start taking this thing out. So Carrie was complaining that I have not been social enough with our neighbors. So my current plan is to mount the toilet here on the front of our deck so that I can be here. And then as people come by, because I spend a lot of time on the toilet, I mean, I could be here for hours. And this way, as people walk past, I can, I can shake hands. I can, hey, you got any toilet paper or what? I can oh, flush it, try and get it down, and also like, oh my goodness, look at that, sort of, it gives a lot of good times. And, you might want to consider mounting your head out here on the foredeck of your boat so that, you can really get to know your neighbors. So, consider it. Thanks. Okay, so now I've kind of got everything out. I'm going to try and get an idea of just how much space this is going to take up. And so I'm just kind of setting the pieces here in place. And this isn't not mounting them or anything crazy. Just trying to get an idea of what. Oh boy, but that's...
Oh, why don't you make your platform though?
One sheet of plywood, yeah. Just think that will all, I think that will be, I think a little overhang there's not the end of the world. And this comes down and back into there. So I think that if I make it this, maybe just plus 1 inch out this way. Like that. And then that would allow me to pull this forward enough that seat. Okay. So next step will be to get a piece of cardboard or something down here so that I can make a template of the plywood floor panel that I'm going to make for down here. And then I can take that back home and get it cut out on the jigsaw. And then Carrie can take her time back here and paint this all up nice. And yeah, boss. And now we have our nice angle. I'll straighten it down obviously with the board. That's it right there. Nice wedge. And then we'll mount that to here. And then we put pooper and then make poop. Make poop here. Boom boom. Big boom boom. Okay, so I've got my template here. I've got a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that I had left over from doing the new floor section. And I'll just set this on here, do a nice trace out, and then we'll cut this out with the jigsaw. Okay, now we've got our piece, so we'll give the edges a quick sanding, and then we'll put some kind of a coating on it. I don't know, we'll see what I have around.